Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot on restricted app. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Screenshot Touch and you need to download this application, and with the help of this application you can take screenshot. But sometimes you are unable to take screenshot because I tested this app and it will work on few apps. So the best recommended method is you simply need to have another smartphone with the help of which you can take a screen, you can take a picture of other mobile. So this is the best method I suggest. So if you are comfortable with this and it will take screenshot, you can go with this app as well. But the second method I suggest you can go and try that as well, and leave comment for me that whether it is the best method for you or not, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.